Hello friends, this is Rahul and you are watching Business to Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create I button or how to add I button in your YouTube video. Okay, so now before I gonna do that, I want to tell you that if you are new on channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get all the updates. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, first we will go to Google Chrome. Okay, after that, if you are logged on in your email that you have created your YouTube channel, that's fine. If you're not, please log on that. Okay, after that you can see created studio, so click on that. After that, click on video manager. You can choose any of your video in which you want to add or create I button. Click on edit button in which video you want to create I button. On top of the screen you can see info setting, enhancement, audio, end screen and cards, iCards. So click on iCard. After that you can select time in which time you want to show the iCard. Okay, so as example I'm setting on 2 minutes. After that you can see here add card, video or playlist, channel. So click on video or playlist and you can see just right side of your video or playlist create. So click on create button. Okay, now select any video which you want to show. So as example I'm showing this video and here create card. So click on create card. So now it's been saved. So this is how you can add or create I button in your YouTube video. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon next video. Thank you. Bye bye.